Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix if you encounter the Roblox game client has stopped working error. So it can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. The first one is to simply restart your computer. So sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues with the game client. So close all other unnecessary applications, then restart your computer and try launching Roblox again. Next one is to check Roblox server status. So ensure that the Roblox servers are operational and not experiencing any outages or maintenance. So visit the Roblox website or check their official social media channels for any announcements regarding the server status. Next one is to update the Roblox client. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Roblox client installed on your computer. Outdated versions might cause compatibility issues, so check for updates in the Roblox client and install any available updates. Next one is to check graphic drivers. So outdated or corrupted graphic drivers can lead to crashes in Roblox. So update your graphic drivers to the latest version from the manufacturer's website and see if that resolves the problem. Next one is to check for software conflicts. So other software running on your computer might interfere with Roblox. So temporarily disable any third-party antivirus, firewall, or other security software and see if the issue persists. If the problem goes away, just add Roblox to the list of allowed applications on your security software. Next one is to lower the graphics settings. So reduce the graphics settings in Roblox to see if the error is related to performance issues. Lower the graphics quality, the resolution, and turn off any unnecessary visual effects. Next one is to reinstall Roblox. So if the issue persists, try reinstalling Roblox. So first uninstall Roblox from your computer, then download and install the latest version from the official website. Next one is to disable overclocking. So if your computer's components are overclocked, revert them to their default settings. So overclocking can sometimes cause stability issues in games. And next one is to run Roblox as administrator. So right-click on the Roblox shortcut or executable and select Run as Administrator. So this can help bypass potential permission issues that might be causing the error. Next one is to check DirectX version. So ensure that you have the latest version of DirectX installed on your computer. Roblox requires DirectX 9 or later. So you can download the latest version from the Microsoft website. Next one is to verify the integrity of the game. So if you're using Roblox Studio, so if experiencing the issue while using Roblox Studio, you can try verifying the integrity of the files. So you can go and open the Roblox Studio and then go ahead and open the file. It is located on the upper left corner of your screen. And then you need to go to your settings and then click on the Help tab and then click on Reinstall Roblox. So next one is to contact, and lastly is to contact Roblox support. So if none of the above steps work, you can contact Roblox support for further assistance. They may have additional troubleshooting steps based on your specific issue. So remember that Roblox game client has stopped working error can have various causes. So the above steps are general suggestions to address common issues. So if the problem persists, then you can go to the support team for them to provide more personalized guidance for you. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.